Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We are from Group 3 and we'll be going to walk you through our project, which is project of cleaning the fish pond at Kuliah of Education and Human Sciences building. Before going into our proposal, our group members consist of Adam Huzai, Anas Wais, Amishadi, and myself, Amman Hazim. Now, for the introduction of our proposal, this proposal mainly focuses on some of the goals listed under the Sustainable Development Goals, specifically goal number 6, which is clean water and sanitation, life below water, which is goal number 14, and partnership for goals, which is goal number 17. And the aim for this proposal is to clean the fish pond located between Kuliah of Education and Human Science Building. Now, a little bit of background on our proposal. As we all know, pond water is a very crucial component for living beings. It maintains the water table, controls surrounding temperature, serves drinking purposes, domestic and irrigation demands for the city. And according to Swanaka and Chobe, 2015, pond is important for ecology and has much significance in environments such as wildlife habitats, rainwater harvesting, surface and groundwater discharge, flood control, food and nutrition for many organisms, and etc.
For the objective for our project, we intend to create awareness among IUM society, especially regarding to water and environment hygiene. Secondly, we want to ensure a sustainable aquatic life and balanced ecosystem within IUM Gombak area. Thirdly, we want to build the fish pond as an attractive place in IUM, as crystal clear water and healthy fishes will look magnificent. Lastly, this project will strengthen relationship among IUM community, as by doing communal work together will create stronger bonding among each other.
For the methodologies of the fish pond project, we suggest the planting and aquatic plants of the communal work have to be done by the Usra in Asian 1 and 2 in collaboration with ENC and Diversity. According to the point experts, the best way to ensure clean, healthy water is to incorporate a larger number of plants into the pond in addition to proper filtration. Some plants are better than others at removing nutrients from the pond. It is called clear water pond plants. These plants are referred to as clear water pond plants because they were outcompete algae for nutrients in the water. Thus, there are four types of aquatic plants that known as clear water pond plants, such as first, pickerel plant that passing water around the roots of marginal plants cause the rapid uptake of nitrates and other nutrients and thus survive the algae. Second, watercress. Once the warm weather hits, these plants grow incredibly fast, producing long wide roots that do a great job sucking up the nutrients from the water. Third, water iris. It is the best planted in the mesh baskets or shallow gravel beds where they can spread their fibrous root system. Last but not least, water lilies that provide much needed shade for the pond, blocking out the sunlight, which inhibits algae growth and keep the pond water cool. How to planting an aquatic basket plants. First, preparing the basket. Using the basket size, consider the ultimate size and the height of the pond plant. Second, look at the aquatic basket. Fill the aquatic mesh plant basket about 2/3 full with aquatic soil. Third, planting the aquatic plant. Surround the plant roots with the soil and top the basket up to about 4 cm from the top with more soil. Fourth, watering the pond plant. Just liquid water in the plant so the soil gradually dumps down to become saturated. Fifth, topping of the pond basket. If the soil reduces down below about 6 cm, top the basket up slightly with soil. Six, positioning the plant, water in the plant again, and then gently lower the plant into its final position. Some water lilies will need to be lowered to their final position over a period of a week.
Allah Subhanahu wa Ta'ala has said in Quran, in Surah Ar-Rum, sentence 41, that means corruption has spread on land and sea as a result of what people's hands have done, so that Allah may cause them to taste the consequence of some of their deeds, and perhaps they might return to the right path. So, from this sentence, we hope that IIUM students and staff realize and always keep the river and pond clean so that we can maintain the healthy ecosystem in our university. So the conclusion for this video is, our main purpose for this project is to ensure the safety for the aquatic life in the pond. Besides, We want to spread the awareness among IIUM students the importance to keep the river and fish pond clean. This is our responsibility as Khalifah to maintain healthy ecosystem on the earth.
Last but not least, thank you for lending your ear and let's save our fish pond at IIUM, College of Education and HS buildings. And if you have any question, don't hesitate to ask us and join us as a team to clean the water fish pond.